So today we have official OnePlus 6 3D tempered glass, and we'll see how we can precisely apply this on the OnePlus 6. And before we do this, let's see what we got in the package. So in the package you have a microfiber cloth that comes with the OnePlus 6 3D tempered glass here. So you can see it's a microfiber cloth to remove any lint or dust that sits on the glass. Then you also have this squeezy card, so that actually helps you remove the bubble from after applying the tempered glass. So that's actually good if there is any bubbles that you can actually press out and remove it from the tempered glass. And then we also have the small sticker that actually helps you remove any dust or debris that is on your glass. So please make sure you all use all these three, and we'll see in a moment how we can quickly and effortlessly apply this tempered glass in OnePlus 6. So to make sure that we apply it correctly, it's necessary that we have this provided case with the phone. So if you don't have it, don't throw this case. It's very much needed for your application. Don't throw this, keep it with you, and I'll show you how it can be used. So it's recommended in the process here. If you read the process, it says wipe out the screen with the microfiber cloth, and then basically apply it. You have to put the case on, which was provided with the OnePlus 6 earlier, and then apply it gently, and then if there's any bubble, just remove it with a squeezy. Okay, so if you see, OnePlus 6 already has a film applied on top of it, which is good. So which actually helps you protect your glass from minor scratches and abrasion, but it's not that good because it's not glass after all. Here is the actual 3D glass that was provided in the package. So it's really neat, and you can see it's applied on top of a plastic. It's really good. So first thing, you need to remove the plastic from your device. So that's very important. So let's go ahead and remove this. It's pretty simple. You can just peel this off like this, and let's remove microfiber which was provided in the cloth, and making sure that everything is clean and there is no debris in it. Okay. Make sure you are sitting in a very clean environment, because if there's any lint which is floating in the air, will sit in here and then may give some bubbles in the end. So just make sure the environment you're applying in is super clean and there's no dust floating around. Let's flip it again. Looks good to me. After doing this, remove the sticker and just run it. Okay, and then place it inside the case that's provided. This is very important, do not forget this. Okay, and just to make sure we don't have anything So the good way to see if there is any dust speck, just highlight towards the light and closely make an observation that if there is anything sitting on this glass. If it is all clean, you won't see anything. So it looks good to me now. Okay, what we'll do is we'll peel off, we'll keep it aside for a second. Okay, let's peel off the tempered glass protector from the plastic. So you do like this and then it gently comes off. Don't try to touch the other side, it has adhesive on the other side. And what you need to do is, so if you see this tempered, this case that came with OnePlus 6 actually has raised bridges on top. It has got some lips, so it actually provides us a groove frame to put the tempered glass, and it should fit without any issue. So just let it sit there. Make sure that the tops are touching the edges, and go the edges, okay, and drop it. So if you see, it is attaching itself to the screen real good here. So don't worry about the bubbles, it will eventually go away. Okay, now what you can do is you can actually take off this guard, the case, sorry, from your OnePlus, and using the squeegee, just try to take these bubbles away from the screen on the outer edges. So use the flat side to remove this. So we'll try to take all this bubble out from the edges. So if the holes don't go away, then what you can do is you can just gently apply pressure on the screen for a second and two, and then it will take enough time for the glue to stick in. So you can do something like this, and then it should stick in. Just stay there for a second, 2-3 seconds, and then it should actually stick in. So even if you have some bubbles left, don't worry about it, it will go away within few hours, I would say. So there's nothing to worry about the bubbles, and if anything goes wrong, you can actually peel this off and apply it again. So it's pretty simple. So the key here is making sure that you have the OnePlus 6 provided case with you, which is very necessary for this application. So as you can see, there's more here, and then I think see it's done on the phone, and see how does it look. So everything seems to be working fine, no issue as such. The touch is responsive and everything looks sweet. So that's how you apply 3D tempered glass on your OnePlus 6. Thanks for watching.